Oh. Good morning. Oh. So we've just got a little kind of vloggy style video for you today because of Maker Central. At the weekend it was all pretty full on, and got back yesterday. I'm recording this on the morning of Tuesday, or whatever it is, 14th. Got back yesterday around about lunchtime, and I was straight into work, straight into jobby job type stuff. In fact, let me just spin this camera around and show you what's going on. Okay, so remember to spin the microphone around as well this time, so you can actually hear me. So yeah, the usual bench of shame stuff here. I haven't unpacked properly yet, but I've got straight back into work stuff. Because there's this job that just will not die, will not go away. If you follow me on Instagram or if you're a Patreon supporter or listen to the podcast even, you will know the story of these bedside tables. And I'm here having to cut down the legs to accommodate new feet, which is all a bit of a challenge considering there are, I don't know, 8 of these to do, and not much time to do them in. But yeah, I mean, I haven't sort of unpacked properly. All the stuff from the weekend is in sustainers still, and I'm just sort of straight back into work mode, really. You know, there's still lots to do on the CNC build, and there's just stuff everywhere. It's all a bit of a mess. But I just wanted to make this video just to mark the occasion, really. There'll be lots more coming through, I'm sure, from other people as well as me about Maker Central. And if you didn't attend, then you might be getting sick of it. We're sorry about that. It's probably the biggest Maker event in Britain of the year, and there's certainly nothing quite like it that I've experienced. It was pretty fantastic. So I just wanted to make this quick video to say thank you so much to everybody who came to visit us at the Measuring Up podcast stand, myself and Gus with Handyman Andy Mac. We met for the first time as well on Friday, which is pretty amazing. So I think that might be our man Andy just arriving. I'm going to nip downstairs and see if I can catch him as he's getting out of the van, out of the truck. I've got a vloggy style video about the day and some more of Maker Central coming up before too long. But for this one, I just wanted to say thank you so much to everybody who attended the event, to everybody who queued up for so long, waiting to speak to me or Andy, just to shake our hands and say hi. I wouldn't wait in line for me personally, so thank you very much indeed for everybody who did that. It was pretty intense. Somebody said, my friend Nick Makes on Instagram said it was at times quite overwhelming, and it was. We had a little 3-meter cube of a stand, of a stall. It was a bit like a car boot sale. We had a table on either side with the branding of the logos on the front. My table was about 2 meters long, and I didn't get further than the front of my table all day, from doors open at 10 o'clock until, well, doors supposed to close at 6, but we were still there talking to people at 6:30. I did not leave the stand. I didn't eat anything. I didn't get off the stand to pee. I didn't get time to go and get a cup of coffee. Somebody, I don't know who it was, but thank you. Somebody very kindly brought us a couple of cups of coffee, which was fantastic, and had a bottle of water all day long, and that was it. It was very intense and very full on all day long, and thank you so much to everybody. I know a number of people came back to see us again later in the day, and my apologies if I treated you like I'd never seen you before. It's just, a bit punch drunk with all the names and the faces, but absolutely fantastic to be able to put faces to names or usernames, and to meet everybody who came. And if you didn't make it this year, well, fingers crossed, then there will be another one next year. It was a very well attended event. More people through the door on the Saturday than the whole of the weekend last year, apparently. Sunday was a little bit quieter. I did manage to get away off the stand at about 2:30 in the afternoon to go and grab a couple of cups of coffee, and there was a queue waiting by the time I got back as well. So a pretty amazing weekend, pretty fantastic all round. There will be more to come on this. I want to talk about the costs involved in attending an event like this. We'll go into a little bit of detail on that. But for now, just wanted to say thank you so much to everybody. Thank you to the organisers, Nick Zametti in particular, who's put this all together. I've never attended a show quite like this one, and you know, it's unlike any other, and an absolutely fantastic event. I hope you enjoyed it, if you managed to make it, and if you didn't, well, who knows, maybe we'll see you next year. But that's it for this short video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. It's a car park. You can't leave commercial vehicles in here.
Hey Peter,
How you doing? You all right?
nice to get here.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
How's it going?
So yeah, good journey down.
Yeah, not
All right.
too bad.
All
Not
right,
too
yeah.
bad. Had some biblical rain to get through.
Oh right, okay. Well, fairly dry. I had a few showers, but otherwise all right.
Yeah, we had
otherwise,
biblical rain and then a bit crazy traffic. And
Yeah.
stuff.
Going on this one as well. We thought we might have been able to find a bit of time to sort of tag team. One of us goes to get a bite to eat or a cup of coffee, but actually we just had a queue for each of us all day long. I don't think there was a single moment when there wasn't somebody stood in front of our stand waiting to talk to us.
I didn't even get a chance to open my packet of Tunnocks tea cakes